if you want to make a public profile here on Snapchat, there are a few things here that we need to understand. Now, if you open up Snapchat here, let's open up Snapchat and access your profile. Let's go to our messages here. So if you click on your profile at the top left of your screen, you should see your profile here. Now, the thing with Snapchat, as long as you are of legal age, at least 18 years old, public profiles should be already available to you. So the first way for you to make your profile public is by going to the very top here, and next to the my account section you should see the public profile option. So if you click on it or press on it, it's going to say introducing your public profile. Go ahead and click on OK, and basically in here you can go and start customizing your public profile. Now, public profile here are going to be your profile, which you could add snaps, and from this account, you should be able to share this to the public from the name itself, so everyone can see what you are going to post in here, including what photo you want to use for your account, and also your stories, spotlights, and even insights. So if you want to add a snap, go and click on Add Snaps. Now, you also have the other option here for adding or making your profile public. You also have something we call as the section for add my story public, so meaning everyone can see your story in here. So you can go and click on the add to my story public, and again, you are sharing your stories via or through the public. Now, if you just want to share with your friends, you go and click on add to my story just for friends. You go ahead and add that. But yeah, so typically that's the way for you to make your public profile. Again, if your account is, or the age that you currently have right now in your account is at least 18 years old, public profile should be available to you. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.